right, so what I bought is some track, and it uses these little sliders for the curtain, so I can close the curtain and have a nice little shower. All right, as you can see, it is quite spacious. I have my arm all the way out, and yeah, there's the wall which my fixture will go, and then got that plastic fiberglass reinforced PVC, and then this is just linoleum, waterproof linoleum, and then I'm also going to do the floor as well with a drain. But the track system works really good. So you can open it up real easy. Just fold that back out of the way. I mean, that's pretty nice. And close it up so you can see what it looks like on the outside. You can't see through it, so you don't have to worry about anybody peeping on you. You're trying to take a shower or change. It goes all the way to the floor. Got a little gap on top, and yeah, you got a pretty nice large shower, changing room, whatever you want to use it for. Shop vac. It's pretty cool. I'm absolutely loving this. This came out better than expected. So awesome. As always, if you want to purchase this track system and these shower curtains, I'll put a link in the description. Till next time, guys. Okay, I got this simple drain fixture from Home Depot. But right now I just got it holes drilled out in the floor, and then I took and this is the original laminate, so I just glued it really well because I didn't want any leakage in between the two. And then I took and I Gorilla Glued it all on the laminate floor, and then put down my new laminate. And then I used a waterproof caulk that's used for bathrooms to finish it off. Came out pretty good. It's not as level as I'd like it to be because the Gorilla Glue foamed up a little bit, but I like it a lot. I've got all the windows installed, and some of them open up really nice. I got a cross breeze window, which works really good. Got my air conditioner unit installed. Everything's looking pretty good so far. I think I got most of the construction done on this project. All right, making headway. There's my bed. I got it held down with just some sidge straps wrapped around it. And it's a 10-inch memory foam mattress. I'll put a link in the description if you want one. And yeah, let's try it out and see how it Murphs on the Murphy bed. You just grab it out of the handle here. Boom. Now, I'm probably going to make some sort of latch to hold it in the upright position, maybe. But I still got a little bit of window there, and got the windows on the sides. And then you got the room for the bench seats. They just pop in. They're a little bit long, so I'm going to probably shorten it. And I'm thinking probably reupholster them as well. Something a little more comfortable fabric than 70s brown vinyl. Anyway, that's that. I could put a decorative backer board on that as well, so it's better to look at maybe. We'll think about it.